Thank you for joining House Talks today. Here in this episode, we're going to explore a few latest kitchen island design ideas and trends. I'm also going to share custom design ideas, trim ideas with different materials and styles. I hope this content of this video is useful and brings up few new inspirational ideas for your kitchen projects. If you're watching House Talks channel for the first time, not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe to House Talks channel. Let's explore a few design ideas and styles with different materials. There are many options to elevate the kitchen area to bring a modern look with style. One of the best options to give your kitchen a new look is to customize the kitchen islands. Kitchen islands that match the color scheme and style of the kitchen create a cohesive design that adds elegance to your space. There are many ways to customize kitchen islands, adding customized cabinet design with additional storage, or adding decorative trim and molding to a plain kitchen island to spice up the look, or upgrade the countertop to elevate the look of the kitchen area. Kitchen islands continue to increase in size in new construction as well as in home renovation projects. Kitchen islands are also becoming multitasking workhorses. As per interior experts' analysis, homeowners prefer the choice of kitchen islands to not only serve as a functional element, but also for quick work from home meetings, to take online sessions, and as a place for families sit together.